Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Nurse Family. For our new subscribers, welcome, and this is home. And if you have been a subscriber here, you've been here all day long, thank you so much for your support. Let's continue watching the videos, liking, sharing, and kindly always remember to leave a comment. Welcome to another vlog of a day in our village. So guys, thank you for being here and enjoy the vlog. For the new ones here, this is my own home. This is my parents' home, and we went here for a holiday. So this is our well, and this is how we get our water for usage. But it is so much salty, so for drinking and cooking, we use the rainy water. Wakitanda. Nakufunza kukuwa videographer. Kimbia, kimbia. Eh? Ile ndio ina nini? Ile ndio imefunguka. Huko. Msishike maji ya mvua yake. Guys, welcome to our shamba kitchen garden. Wow. We have millet, we have sorghum, and it's all green. It's rainy season. We have a lot of maize, a lot of beans. Ukiona saga vile zimejaa huku ndani. Watu wako. Hii hadi iko na mbosho usi. Hata uko home ziko na beans zimeshaza. We have a lot of green vegetables. This is saga. Look at this saga, guys. Sasa. Side ingine. So guys, we are harvesting vegetables for today, and today we'll be cooking ugali as normal for dinner together with bean leaves. This is bean leaves. The beans have germinated. They have already started producing seeds. So we love these before the season lasts. This is a short season which will last very soon. So we are picking up the bean leaves. This is what we'll be having, and it's so yummy. In case you have never tasted it, kindly make sure, now that it is rainy season here in Kenya, make sure you go to your garden, pick up some bean leaves and cook them. Okay? Guys, hey, mommy, it's flooded. The maize is big. Let's see. Let's see. Hey, I am done. Guys, see. When it rains blessings and food. So let's go and see what we have harvested. Hey, look at my legs, guys. You know, it's been raining from 2 p.m. From 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Then this is 5:30, almost 6 p.m. We are going to the garden. So that is why it is muddy. This is a good harvest for the family. Guys, see this weed. Who knows the name of this weed? Our grandmother used to tell us that it is called please stop, because you're just walking and it sticks into your cloth and then you can't walk anymore. So look at this. It's a lot. So I have to take a shower after this. The struggles of the garden when it is rainy, but as long as you have a good harvest, you don't complain. Look at this. Fresh, indigenous, natural. No fertilizer, no nothing, everything natural. Huh? I wish it could be raining every time, every now and then you just get such vegetables, such fresh vegetables. I can't wait to taste this. It's been long. So let's prepare this. So this is how you remove it. So thank you so much guys for watching this vlog, and we hope you have enjoyed it up to this point. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and please drop a comment, tell us what you have enjoyed. Yeah, and until our next video, it's a bye bye for now.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel.